Hey y'all, in today's video, I'm gonna show y'all all my seasonings and spices I use to season my food. I have so many seasonings, like I have a whole collection. Okay, first up, I got some black pepper. I know everybody got this in their pantry. Some sea salt. Brazilian steakhouse seasoning. Got some Italian seasoning. Complete seasoning, I know everyone got this. I got some Dash extra spicy seasoning blend for some extra spice. I got Frank's Red Hot Original seasoning blend. I don't really use this like that. I got some chicken bouillon. Parsley flakes. I got some chipotle and roasted garlic. This is good on chicken, pork. Some Lorry seasoned salt. I got some smokehouse maple. This is good on barbecue. Some paprika. Some crushed red pepper for spice. Smoked paprika. Onion powder. Some Nashville hot chicken. Some Cajun season. Some mesquite seasoning. This is good on barbecue too. Some Italian herb season grinder. Got this from Sam's Club. I just bought this chicken poultry rub. I heard this is a good chicken rub, so I want to try it out. Can't wait to try it though. I got some hot Saison season. Okay, got some cinnamon. Some nutmeg. I just bought this ranch seasoning. Garlic powder. Garlic salt. Got some Old Bay seasoning for seafood. Garlic pepper. I know y'all see me use this in my videos a lot. And this is one of my favorites, roasted garlic and herb. This is a must-have. Lemon pepper seasoning. Spicy Montreal steak. I love this. Okay, you got some Saison. I love using this on fish, shrimp, chicken. I've been using this for years. I just bought this the other day. This jerk season. I can't wait to use this. But y'all, comment down below if y'all have any of these seasonings. Montreal chicken. Got some oregano leaves. And some cayenne pepper for some spice. And y'all, that's all my seasons. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching.